Over the last decade, vehicles have become more complex and reliability is harder to predict. More tech, more software, more expensive failures. Car reliability isn't what it used to be. And that's why Car IQ Report exists. Car IQ Report is a reliability ranking platform that measures vehicle risk using real government complaint data. Not brand reputation, not popularity, not guesswork. Our scoring system was built around identifying patterns that often show up before widespread mechanical or safety issues become obvious. On this channel, we break down model years to avoid, emerging reliability trends, and the risk signals most buyers never see. If you're comparing vehicles or buying used, this is where you come to understand what the data actually says. Subscribe for deeper analysis. And when you're ready to compare vehicles, the full rankings are available at cariqreport.com. The data is there. We just make it clear.